just continue a sentence. Keep on continuing sentences until you have calmed down. Until you have distracted yourself so that you can calm down. I'm 40 years old, I live in, today is, just continue the sentence. And then you will find yourself, distracted wala na kang
manggod lagi na kay
This is anchoring statement.
lagi na ako nabasahan
An
nga murag
using
mag-meeting
an
ka ba
anchoring statement.
pito ka box sa Rizal na
You
diya
can
na dito
expand and
tanan
rephrase
sila tubag ko rin utok
far as you want to go. That's
wala na
like
nakakuan ko ana wala ko
visual
pa
is a daily task you enjoy or you don't mind doing. For example, laundry.
ha
So instead of thinking about the thing that causes anxiety, you think about the steps in doing laundry. Enumerate step 1,
ana mahimo
lay
na
up the colors of the
daw nice na siya ang
step 2,
meeting
and so on so on. So you enumerate the steps of things that you don't like or that you like doing. Okay, next slide please. Sige na. Suppose you have a problem. I want you to sit on a comfortable position. In a comfortable position, please. Now I want you to do the double breathing technique. 1, 2. 1, 2. Now, given the advice, given the problem that you have as of the moment, I want you to close your eyes. So everybody please close your eyes. Now close your eyes and think of the voice or the face of someone you love and won't hurt you. Listen to this voice as the person concerned gives you advice to your problem. What advice will the person tell you? And as he tells you or she tells you so, use the person's voice and not your own voice. Listen to the voice of the person giving you advice so that you can deal with your problem. Okay, so everybody done? Does it work? Is it soothing for you? Another variation is to think of the place, your favorite place. So you go through, you use all your senses as you recall that place.